guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing down below. I do tons of different content such as witch hauls, thrift hauls, crystal hauls. I also do a candle review series and a bunch of other stuff, and if any of that sounds interesting to you at all, please consider subscribing down below. Today's video I have a unboxing for you, and it is from the Etsy shop, Suzanna's CreationsAK, and she is based in Alaska, and this box is actually a $20 mystery box that is called the Mystery Box Cottagecore Nature, and I thought it sounded really interesting. And yeah, for 20 bucks it says in its description that box basics are in a version of these of a worry stone, a scented candle, wooden mushrooms for painting or leave unfinished, a bell, incense cones, tea bags, tarot and oracle cards. Also, it says additional items can be dependent on treasures that they find, whether it's thrifted, stickers, ephemera, beads, charms, nature finds such as feathers, cool rocks, shells, fish bones, sand, driftwood, lichen, and other stuff. And then it also says stuff about bath tea, aromatherapy, and all kinds of cool stuff. It sounded really cool, and I really wanted to check out the shop. I will link it down below, of course, if you guys are interested at all. But yeah, this got to me pretty quickly. I think I got it within like 3 days. Like I said, it is a $20 box. First off, I would love to say that I recognize this box, and it is a old Witch's Roots box. But I actually love that she shipped it in this, because that's showing me that she's just repurposing something. And guys, honestly, you should be reusing stuff as much as you can with the way things are, and I love that I recognize this box right away. But she did add her own touch to it, so that's pretty cool. And I can really smell something nice coming from this, almost kind of pepperminty, but I'm not sure. So let's get into this box. I have no idea what's going to be in here. All right. I actually already see something awesome right off the bat, and it is this metal copper antique star, and I don't know if this is supposed to be like a Christmas ornament or whatever, but it is awesome. Really perfect. I'm redoing my room soon, so this will fit the vibe. Very nice. There appears to be a note. Oh, it tells me what's in here. We'll look at this last. I don't want to know yet. I don't want to spoil the surprise. All right. See, we've got a little cone bell, and we do indeed have a wooden mushroom. This is actually pretty big. I probably will paint this. That'll be a fun little craft for myself. There is another little bell. It looks like a little antique one. Then we have a bag of beads, but a lot of them are gem chips, but I also see a mushroom in here, a couple mushrooms actually, and some other glass round beads. So it's pretty cool. We can make something fun with that. And then we do have a votive candle. Let's see if I can figure out what scent this is. What is that? I can't quite tell, but it smells really good. Then we have a baggie of 3 cone incense. And we have, looks like a stone. Ooh, it has, it's very fragile. I need to be careful. It has what looks like little, I don't know what I want to call this. Why am I drawing a blank? Anyways, I'm sure it'll tell me the letter, but there's this beautiful stone with a growth on it. Did chip quite a bit when I touched it. I wish I would have been a little more careful. Then we have a seashell. I forget what kind of cone this is called. I'm drawing a blank. It's obviously not a pine cone. I can't remember what kind of tree this comes from. There is that. Got a feather. Then we've got something in a glass vial. Oh, actually, I pulled off the tag. It has got a latitude and a longitude on it, so I'm gonna have to look that up. But it looks like it has crushed shells and a few rocks. I wonder if this is from like a beachfront, if she collected it off a beachfront, because it's got a lot of little mini things in it. That's pretty cool. Then we have, I am making a mess today. We have what looks like a coral cluster. Very cool. I don't own anything like this, so that is very neat. Alright, and then we have a bag of tea, which is berry blossom white. It says stay bright with this white tea blend with notes of huckleberry and white cranberry. And then it's got all of the ingredients on the back, which is awesome because I can make sure I'm not allergic to it, and it does not look like I am. So there is that. Then we have what looks like a little spell kit. There's crushed flowers and herbs and a worry stone in here. Oh, okay, it's for a cup of bath tea. be? Let me see what kind of worry stone is in here. It's kind of hard to tell through the baggie. It looks like bloodstone, maybe? Or, maybe a moss agate? It's really hard to tell. It is pretty dark in my room. I know it looks pretty bright in the camera, but that's because I've got a couple ring lights going, but it's pretty late at night, so it's dark in here. So it's not the best for me to see, but I think it's moss agate. Either way, it is very beautiful. Pretty nice size too. And then yeah, just a baggie of herbs in there to make a bath tea. I've still got a couple things to go. Next up we have 5 incense sticks. Ooh, they smell really good. They smell very familiar too. I can't quite tell what it is though. It's almost got a lemon balm scent. Alright, next we have this little jewelry box, and we've got some moss and some little baby pine cones, a seashell, and a sea urchin? I'm not sure. I'm gonna actually not touch that too much till I know what it is, because I am allergic to mushrooms, and it's very possible that that is a mushroom cap. I don't think it is. What are you? Ooh, I don't know what you are. There's a lot of little seeds in here. I don't know what kind they are, but yeah, these little baby pine cones are adorable. Yeah, and little seashells and everything. That's really cool. If you know what that is, which I'm gonna try to Google it, but if you know what that is, I know it's not the best view of it, but if you know what it is, please comment down below. Actually, it'll probably tell me in this paper. Alright, we got like 2 things left, it looks like. The first is a relax inhaler. We've got that. And then this little bundle here, we've got another feather. We have Suzanna's CreationsAK card, and I will list all of their information down below. We've got some stickers. This one says, Save Planet Earth, Plant a Tree. This one is just like a little mountain scenery. And then we've got this that says, Dream, pop open here. It says, nothing is impossible on the back. You know, I think I've had something like this before. They're a little pop-up. Nurture your mind with great thoughts. Benjamin Disraeli. Very nice. We've got this really fun envelope. Oh, it's got a bunch of ephemera and stuff in here. I really like this so far. This is a lot of cool stuff. Alright, let's see what's in here. We've got a little silhouette of a man and a little baby. We've got a butterfly sticker. We've got a little card with an envelope and some flowers. We've got this little plant paper. We've got a little mini plant paper. We've got some leaf and holly stickers, or they might be juniper berries, I'm not quite sure. Then we've got a replica photo. Oh, are these tarot cards? I'm not really sure what these are, but there's a guy on this one. The design on the back is really cool. And then this one looks like a family photo maybe, or a school photo, I'm not quite sure. We've got a library card. I actually really like that. And here is our spread. We've got the crumbling, what are you clinging on to? Imrama, where are you being called to journey to? And then we also got the supermoon, emotions are running high, which I actually have this deck. So that's really cool. Alright, let's look at this paper that came with it. This is actually quite a bit of stuff. I hope this box finds you healthy and happy and brings a smile to your face. Included are items that you can craft into your own aesthetic or leave as is and enjoy. My listing has example ideas of what you can do with some of your items. I'd love to see what you come up with. Feel free to post them on socials and tag Suzanna's CreationsAK. The votive is lavender and chamomile. Okay. Incense cones are backflow. I also added a few jasmine sticks. The vial of beach sand is from Point Louisa, one of my most favorite spots to sit and drum or just watch the whales, seals, and other wildlife. This is the exact spot where I gathered the sand. You can Google Earth it to see how lovely it is. I'm definitely going to look it up on Google Earth. Maybe I will insert that right here. I'll insert the photo of that exact location right here. And then the thumbstone is dragon blood jasper. Okay, I figured it was that or moss agate. It was kind of hard to tell between the two because it's so dark in here, but it is dragon's blood. Has distinctly mature vibration and deftly balances sensibility with bravery. The envelope is of ephemera and has some neat stuff that you can use in your grimoire or book of shadows or junk journal if you have those. Enjoy exploring your box. There are some other great local forests and beach goodies here as well. Blessed be Suzanna. This was probably one of my favorite mystery boxes I have bought so far. And for $20, are you kidding me? How much did I pay for shipping? Shipping, I paid $6.78. So it came to $26.78 for all of this stuff. And it came from Alaska. And you know what? I thoroughly enjoyed this. This is a lot of stuff, actually. Like, it really is. And it's definitely stuff I will use. And I mean, 100% worth the cost, in my opinion. And she did send me a discount code, and I believe it is for 10% off. Let me double check. Yeah, I have 10% off for this shop. I will put it down in the description below if you guys want to check this out for yourself. Again, this came really, really fast, and it is really beautiful and awesome, and I really, really, really like this. This is really cool. I like a lot of the, there's really no item in here that I don't like. I will use all of this stuff, and it's really pretty. Definitely check this out. That's that's gonna be my recommendation. I'm thoroughly pleased with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought down below. Would love to hear what you guys have to say. Do you think it was worth the $20? I 100% do. Like, this is a lot of really cool stuff. I'm very, very pleased. Like, I can't stop gushing over it. This is the aesthetic of stuff I like to get in mystery boxes. It's got a little bit of everything. It's got fun, unique things that I don't see a million times over in boxes. So I'm very, very pleased with this. I'm very happy. 100% recommend this shop. I don't understand how she only has 88 sales. Mind blowing. Let me know, you guys, what you thought. What is your favorite thing out of this box that I got? If I had to pick something, I mean, honestly, there's a couple things I really like, but I think the thing that's standing out to me the most is probably this coral cluster. That was really cool. I've had like little tiny chunks of coral, but not like a cluster. Like, that's really awesome. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.